Miss Shauna. I'm an intern at the Gloucester County Library System Logan branch, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a construction paper frog on a lily pad. So to start, for materials, you'll need a few things. First thing you'll need is scissors. You're going to need some glue. You can either use a glue stick or Elmer's glue, a Sharpie, and you're going to need 3 colors of construction paper. You're going to need red, dark green, and light green. So the first step is to cut out a lily pad. You're going to do that using your dark green piece of construction paper, and it should look like this. So it should be pretty big. You can use most of the paper that you have. So the first step is to cut out your lily pad. Now, the second step is to make the frog's body. So to do that, you're going to use your lighter piece of green construction paper, and you're just going to cut out a rectangle like this. Hold the paper this way and cut it. And it should look something like this. This should be, for the body, it should be thicker. Now, in order to make the body, you just put it in a circle like that, and then glue it, and it should look something like this. So this is what the frog's body should look like. Now, you have to add arms and feet to it. So you can cut out 2 arms with the same color that look like this, round on the edges, and 2 feet that look like this, and then glue that onto the body. So this is what the frog's body should look like. So all using that same color piece of construction paper, this is the frog's body. Now to make the head, you use the same color that you were using before, and instead of cutting a thick rectangle, you're going to cut a little bit of a thinner one. But it's the same thing. You're going to take your piece, fold it like this, and then now instead of adding arms and legs, you're going to add eyes to him. So to do that, you're going to take your paper, you're going to cut a little piece off, and then you're going to give yourself room at the bottom to fold, because you have to fold it. It's going to end up looking like this. Then you're going to start like midway through, and you're going to cut out eyes for him. You might have to trim it based on how thick or thin you made your head, but it should look like this type of shape. And then you can take your Sharpie, and you can give him eyes. Like that. Fold it, and then this is where you'll put your glue on his head, and you can glue it on like that. Then once you're done that, you can take his head and draw a nose, once you're done that, you can take the head and draw a nose and a mouth. So this is what the frog's head should look like. It's not done yet though, because it needs a little tongue. So you can take your red piece of construction paper. We're going to cut out a really thin little rectangle to make it kind of long. So it looks like that, and then roll the edge in a circle. Kind of similar to how we made the head, but repeat it. So do it once like that, and then again over the top, and then keep going till you get close to the end. And then unroll it. So now his tongue will curl. So then you can glue that onto the mouth, and this is what the head should look like. So now we have a completed head and a completed body. So we're going to glue it on here like this. Oops. And then glue it on our lily pad. So let's do that. take our glue stick and put some on the body. Glue our head down. So now here is what our frog looks like. So now the last step is to glue him onto the lily pad. So you can take your lily pad and wherever you want to put him, if you want to put him on the side, in the middle facing, wherever you want to put him, just glue your frog onto the lily pad. And this is your completed construction paper frog. He looks super cute and super happy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to try this at home and have a great day.